is Faris. I'm the founder of GrabTheWay protocol. Now I want to introduce you into the GrabTheWay protocol. What it is like, you can turn any Web2 apps or especially backend into decentralized apps or Web3 apps. Now here is the thing, GrabTheWay is built in high performance blockchain using Go, and we can test it out by running transaction transfer into the block. We can see here we already set into 250 for each node worker, and then we run the test in 30 seconds. Also we have a state validation for make sure our node is running consistently. Okay, we already set up 3 nodes here. Each node run in 2 virtual CPU and 2 GB of RAM. Okay, we can start. Just push the start the load test. Okay, that's already running. We can check the TPS. It's quite low because I'm recording it in my laptop also. The performance will drop. Okay, for 30 seconds. It's quite high number because previously I ran it with a recording run. I can push it up to 550 TPS per second. That's quite good, I think. Now we can run the state validation. We can check the balance if it is consistent across the node. Okay, quite consistent, I think. Now we run into the second GrabTheWay feature that's running any Web2 apps into Web3 apps or dApps. First we running our front end, and then we can also run our microservice backend. And here's the thing, you can set your backend pipeline or workflow to any endpoint you have, and also you can set a durable workflow like temporal, if you know, for a long running task. Okay, first we run the backend, all the backend. The backend is consists of any of 2 instance per service. Okay, it's already running. Now we can check it in our admin panel. I already built it for you guys to see. Okay, we can check. I use the private key to log in into one of our nodes online. We can check here. Now we have 16 instance of service including our nodes, and then so many service you can set up to you. Also we have some workflow to use here on my own. Okay, first we go to our localhost frontend, login. I'm using one of my setup account. This is just demo app for purpose to show you guys how powerful is the GrabTheWay. So we can inspect here. Network Now our request is already running, and load the request to our GrabTheWay. Localhost, okay. Now what I mean by pipeline or workflow, when we create delivery or shipping, they create the shipping workflow here. So in terms, the create shipping workflow is doing what called workflow out with rate limiter, which is here. It define the rate limiter service and out service. You always want it to map in your own developer, because you register behave on your wallet address using your own private key. And then after call the out service, then call again out service for get the user email of recipient. Then you want to execute the ledger, because you can directly comment to execute ledger in here on your own request. If any step is error, it can stop automatically by you set it here. Also you can set a rollback if you want a rollback step going on after something wrong for your state consistency. Now we have to set the allowance first. Okay, we log in into our second account here. We set the allowance to, we check, okay, 0. We set it and then check. Okay, here's the thing is in micro GCU, it means it will cost you 5,000 GCU token. Okay, in the history we can check 5 minutes only set allowance. Also in here as the node operator and the spender is in the same wallet. Okay, we can set the address is Tangerang, Indonesia. Example, just dummy apps to show you how powerful it is. Okay, we can create the delivery. Okay, already shipped, and it's quite a good performance, I think, for a decentralized app running in our local service. Oh, I can see that time. Yeah, it's quite good. And then we can check if it correctly executed by, let's see, this username is from the account that giving the allowance to the spender, which is the node 1, and the address that receive also the node 1. Okay, we can check again. Yeah, we can see the delegate transfer is already confirmed, and 5,000 CPU is already deducted. And we can check into the node that spend the allowance. Also the account here is act as a receiver. Okay, confirm. Okay, that's nice. And second, we also can perform it as a long running task or durable task. We change the window into here, and then we have to set our worker node first. Okay, Is it already running? Yeah, I think worker node is already running. We also must put a stacking assign into our node if you want to run a node like that. Okay, so you also can see all the history requests in here, like from our previous run. I think it's already down there. Yep. Okay, we just move. Now I want to show you how to perform durable one. We just put in the in workflow is durable, then it is a durable test. I can show you also in the shipping service that called the durable create shipping workflow. Here, create shipping only call create shipping workflow, which is right here. Sorry, which is right here. Exactly what we want. We already turn it into a durable. Just save, and the node will switch into blue-green swap of your config instantly. Okay, we run it again. Just put the name address Tangerang. Stock is 2, get choice, also item baru. Okay, yeah, we got some error because it's not set up for durable of my service running. Okay, what we can see here, we can monitor our durable task in monitoring. So you can see it's already executing for each step, which is out with route limiter first, and then get user by email, and then delegate transfer, and another. Okay, then we can see here if it successfully spending it, because we don't set the allowance enough to for not to spend it. Okay, see, we already spent it in the first 5,000, and then we want to spend it again 5,000. It must be can do it. So I want to show you how the smart is our Grab2way protocol is. The transaction will fail because it checked the allowance first. Okay, it's also failed here, can see. And then I want to show you again if we set the allowance correctly into the spender. We set again for 9,000, and then it already changed. Okay, we can spend it again. Just click delivery, and then we can see the workflow is still running. Step 4, you can monitor it also, and then yep, it's already finished. Okay, what we can see here, it executed successfully on the ledger side. Yeah, it's already correctly spent the 5k of a GCU transaction, which another one is failed right before it. And you can check also in account that give the allowance, it already confirmed, and you can check the allowance is 4,000. So I want to show you again how powerful is the protocol of a durable workflow and step pipelining. Uh, as you can see here, in the crate shipping workflow, you have some of call that direct into inventory service. Okay, we can properly shut it down. Okay, then it will have a retry policy. Also, I want to shut down the rate limiter first, because we call it from out rate limiter workflow, which is also running the rate limiter service here with retry delay 10 seconds. Okay, we can spend it again. Okay, create delivery, we can monitor it in our workflow now. It's already running. You can click refresh just to make sure. Okay, yeah, it's already run on retry because we set retry on 5 attempts, each delay 10 seconds. Okay, we can go back our rate limiter. Now it's already running on rate limiter, I think. Okay, it's already success. Then we can check. Okay, delegate transfer. Okay, 3 retry, 4 retry. Oh, it didn't go through, but you can see here you can put a retry on each workflow or service call, which is the grab the way will retry your request and perform a count with delay. Okay, also in history we can check. It will does rollback credit if any of the requests is on the step is failed. Then it will put automatic rollback and set it up the balance in the right amount of the from and to. Also we can here see in the spender and the receiver is also got rollback, so your balance is safe to go. You can use it to automate payment for AI agent maybe, or something you do that have to run each service to service call with automatic payment with retry also built in. It's already quite robust and well performed executed. Okay, maybe that's it. It's a long video one, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. It's a breakthrough in Web3 world or blockchain. Here is I present you Grab the Way protocol from Faris Badlor. Thank you guys.